Today we're going to take a look at some different types of leaves. This is a long grass-like leaf of a yucca plant. And then we have a very soft leaf of the mullein plant. Leaves come in all different forms. Some have multiple leaves on one stem and different shapes. Leaves are important to plants because they help plants make their own food through a process of photosynthesis. The leaves are able to capture the sun's energy and make it into sugars or carbohydrates that it lives off of. Another important part of a plant is its stem. The stem holds the plant upright, and it also contains the flowers, and it holds the leaves. Let's look at some other various types of stems. These are all dried stems collected from the salt lot. Stems are also useful to insects. Insects make their nests on stems, like this nest here. And a common buckeye moth has used this stem to make its nest. And of course, birds collect all sorts of plant parts, including stems, and create their own nests. Roots are what stabilize plants in the ground. Here we have a long taproot. The root will collect water and nutrients from the soil and store them for the plant. Here's another really big taproot. This one's big. So this is the main taproot, and then there are smaller auxiliary roots coming off of that main root. Roots come in lots of different shapes and sizes. This one has very tiny little roots. Flowers are how plants reproduce. They are pollinated by insects and become fruits or seeds. And that's how one plant makes another plant. Here's another flower, very tiny. Some flowers are specifically designed to attract certain insects by their shape. Here's another tiny flower. Once a plant has flowered and been pollinated and produced seed, the seeds are then dispersed either by birds or by the wind. Each one of these seed heads is actually covered with tiny little seeds. And our favorite dandelion seed heads, you might recognize, are wind dispersed. They can travel long distances just floating on the wind.